Alright, in this video we have a 2016 Chrysler Town and Country with the 3.6 V6. And the issue I had with it was making a ticking sound. So what I did was I replaced all the rocker arms, put it all back together, started it up, and it was still ticking. So then I took it apart again, and this time I actually paid closer attention to the lifters, and I noticed this. I'm able to compress that by hand. And when looking at this brand new one, I can't compress it at all. So I ended up changing all the lifters out. And, just for reference, this is the rocker arm that was bad. You can see how that moves up and down. It's not supposed to do that. So anyway, what I did is I replaced all the rocker arms, all the lifters. Now I'm going to put it together and see if it got rid of my tick. And if it does, then it would confirm that the ticking doesn't come from the rocker arms, but in fact it comes from the lifters. So let's see what happens when we put it together. All right, it's all put together. Let's fire it up and see how it sounds. Well, already it sounds super quiet. So the van's been running for about 20 minutes now. It's warmed up. Still no ticking. And also I noticed it just seems to be running smoother and quieter. So now we're going to take it on a test drive and see how it does. Alright, I just got back from a 20-mile test drive, and you can see still not ticking. It runs good, it runs smooth. I didn't feel any difference in performance, but it's quiet, and that's what I was shooting for. So if there's anything to take away from this video, if you can compress your lifters, then change them, because this is what's causing a tick. In addition to the rocker arms, I don't know, I changed all the rocker arms, it still ticked. I came back in and changed the lifters, and the tick went away. So hopefully you learned something from this. If you liked the video, please subscribe below. Thank you.